ultra-large spacecraft hired by China spanning miles in crewed mission. Among the projects that has been requested for China researchers to study, a mega spacecraft assembled in the orbit is one of them. Since expansion plans are taken by the country for space exploration in the future and long-term crewed missions, scientists have been called to join a 5-year project to analyze and research the machines of an ultra-large spacecraft spanning kilometers by the National Natural Science Foundation of China. An outline of the project published by the foundation said that the spacecraft is a prominent strategic aerospace tool for the use of space resources in the future, residing in the orbit for a long term and for exploring the universe's mysteries. The foundation is managed by the Ministry of Science and Technology, which is basically a research funding agency. The Foundation's Mathematical and Physical Sciences Department released about 10 research proposals. The spacecraft program is among them. The Foundation will go fundings for 5 projects with 5 million yuan allocated for each.